Mukhang hindi nagustuhan ng dating manager ni Jed Madela ang bagong kanta nito na may title na Wish You the Worst. Para kasi kay Annie Mercado, para daw sa kanila ang kantang nilabas ni Jed. Hindi daw sila dump para hindi malaman na sila ang pinupuntiran nito. Sa social media ni Mercado, naglabas ito ng kanyang hinaing tungkol sa singer. Binahagi din ito ang naging closeness ni Jed sa kanilang pamilya noon na ayon dito ay tinuring nilang tunay na kadugo nung nag-uumpisa pa lamang ito sa industriya. So I'm doing my business and moving on with my life of positivity, joy, and peace, and try to ignore pesky flies. But a friend sent me a song. Once and for all, I'm putting an end to this. Since he went public via song, I am no longer going to keep quiet about this person. I am naming him Don't Worry. This song is about relationships, but we're not dumb to think it's not about us. The very family who took good care of him and loved him from the day he set foot in Manila. So yeah, I'm not playing the game of this ungrateful man anymore. Wish You the Worst, his new song. This song tells you so much about the kind of person the singer truly is. Title pa lang, he invested on negativity na. It's full of negativity, hate, and bitterness. Always playing the victim when he is the offender. He's always play the game, if the shoe fits. Well, sorry, I don't wanna play. I don't hide behind the songs and post with double meaning, so here it is. Jed Madela, don't taunt me with a song. Panindigan mo yan ha? Let's go to the press and tell all. If you don't wanna, I will. I think people wanna know the truth. Share until this reaches him because he blocked all of us. Dagdag pa ni Mercado, 2 dekada ang kanilang pinagsamahan ni Jed hanggang sa hindi na umano siya nire-respeto ng singer. I've managed him for 23 years until he is what he is right now. That's the business side. I've known him since birth and me and my family love him unconditionally, like a son and brother, and he chose to disrespect. That for me is my closure, end of the line. Sinagot din ni Mercado ang tila kamag-anak nito sa comment section at sinabing naiinis umano siya sa tuwing kailangan niyang pagtakpan ng singer. Maging ang di umano'y pagtawag ni Jed ng unggoy sa Asa family. Humihingi daw si Mercado ng paumanhin tungkol dito. I hate it that I had to cover for him all the time, including how he called Asa people monkeys. May apologize to Asa people. I hope they read this.